Hello, welcome to InfoComm 2025 and the Neat booth. What we're showing over here is a really cool game-changing technology. We're calling it Neat Focus. The nice thing about Neat Focus is you can have a presenter at the front of the room and all they got to do is walk into this area. Now the nice thing about this is we have a defined space here, and when a presenter comes into it, if you can see over here, you're going to see a split shot between myself and also the audience. And this is a game changer because this is technology that works. Now when I walk out, what you're going to notice, if you keep looking over here, is I disappear, and that's by default the behavior of Neat Focus, because it's a machine learning protocol that we use, or machine learning that we use algorithm that looks at a certain spot. So it's really powerful technology. In the past you could do this, not new, but what happens with us is it's automatically done with Neat Focus in our software versus having to manually do it in the background. So it's a really powerful, you can use this in classrooms, training rooms, a lot of different applications, auditoriums that you can put this application into. Please visit our website, neat.no, so you can learn more.